Today at Contra Costa Powersports, we have a 2015 Honda Grom 125. This bike only has 100 miles on it. It is offered for $29.99 here at Contra Costa Powersports. This is a great little in-town fun play bike. You can throw it on the back of your motorhome, throw it on the back of your pickup truck to go around the campsite, go down to the general store, get some groceries. You can commute on it. You can do stunt riding on it. There's just tons of stuff you can do on these bikes. Again, this one only has 100 miles. Just the previous owner just decided to move on to something different. This one you'll save about $500 to $600 off a new one. We did an oil change, safety check, and she's all dialed in and ready to go. We could provide financing as well as an extended warranty on this bike. Check us out on the web at contracostaps.com, where at any given time we'll have 35 to 40 quality pre-owned bikes just like this one.